Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to set up timer in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. First of all, we need to open our clock application. We can go in our menu, then clock, or we can tap our clock widget on the main screen, and here we have at the bottom a few tabs, and the last one is timer. So to set up a timer, we have hours here, minutes here, seconds here, and we simply can set up whatever we want there and start. Amazing, it's working. Pretty simple. That's it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.